The JENSEN Group is a global leader in the design and construction of industrial laundries. We stand for innovation, quality, and customer focus, and consistently drive digitalization in service. Until now, it has often been time-consuming for technicians, service managers, or purchasers to quickly access the right information. Searching for manuals, requesting spare parts lists, or checking the status of a request. All of this takes time. This is exactly where the new JENSEN Customer Portal comes in. With just one login, you have everything at a glance. You can create service requests directly with JENSEN. You can access machine manuals and recommended spare parts. And you can keep track of all service technician visits at any time. That's how easy service is today. One central platform, fast, modern, and reliable, directly from JENSEN. Register now in the Customer Portal. Did you know, with the same login, you can also use our web shop and order your items right away? With the new QR code on the machine, you can now access the Customer Portal easily and directly from the laundry. Simply scan the QR code and instantly access all information for that machine. Register now. We continue to move forward and are constantly expanding the Customer Portal. Discover now the new JENSEN mobile app.